Hello, little loves. Hi, babies. Hello, my little babies. Yes, there they are. There's babies. It's my babies. It's my little babies. Yes. These are my 3 new girls. This is her brother. This is Bubba Louie. Yeah, Bubba Louie's almost a year old. And this is their daddy, Wanpong. Hey, Wanpong, he's a good boy. Yes, he's my good boy. Yes, he's my good boy, that Wanpong. Yeah. And there's my little girlies again. There's that little Wanpong. And there's a Bubba Louie. There's a Bubba Louie. Hello, Bubba Louie. Pingly. Pingly. And this is their mommy, Pingly. Yes, there's my Pingly. Pingly, come here, baby. Pingly, come here. Come, Chia. Chia, come. And this is great-great-grandma, Chia. Pingly is her great-great-granddaughter. Chia is my very first Chihuahua.